Good morning, students. Now we will discuss about the properties of rational numbers. Properties of rational number. First of all, closure property. Closure property means when you add two rational number, or you will multiply two rational number, or you subtract two rational number, or you divide two rational number, result would be the same. This is called closure property. Then commutative property. In commutative property, there is, if you change the order of numbers, then there would be no difference in the result. It means no change in the value, like 1 upon 2 plus 3 upon 2. Now you have changed the order, then 3 upon 2 plus 1 upon 2, but their values are same. It applies in multiplication also, but not in subtraction and division. Then associative property. Associative property applies three or more than three numbers when you change the grouping of number. There also no effect in their values. Like here 1 upon 2, 3 upon 2 and 5 upon 2. First of all you have grouped the last two number. Later on you have grouped the first two rational number. Now here 1 upon 2 plus 8 upon 2, then 4 upon 2 plus 5 upon 2. Then result is the same, 9 upon 2. This associative property also apply in multiplication, but not in case of subtraction and division. Then their additive property. Additive property means if you will add 0 in any rational number, that would be the same rational number. If you subtract 0 from any rational number, result would be the same. And multiplicative property of 0 mean if you will multiply 0 by any rational number, then product would be the 0. And if you divide by 0 any number, that number is not defined. If you divide 0 by any number, then the result would be 0. Now multiplicative property of 0, as I defined. Multiplicative identity. Multiplicative identity means if you multiply any rational number by one number, then product would be the same rational number. Same apply in division also. If you divide any number by 1, then rational number would be the same rational number. Then this is multiplicative inverse. Multiplicative inverse means reciprocal of number. Same here, additive inverse. Additive inverse means if you change the sign of rational number. Suppose one number is positive rational number, other is negative. That would be the additive inverse. In case of multiplicative inverse, this is the reciprocal of that number. Like 1 upon 2, then reciprocal of this 2 upon 1. So that would be the multiplicative inverse. Then distributive property, multiplication over addition. Here this is the one rational number which you multiply by the addition of two rational number. It means you are distributing this number over these two number. P upon Q into R upon S, P upon Q into T upon U.